The upcoming iOS update for this year might be the most important one in a very long time. With only a few months left until Apple introduces iOS 18, there are some exciting updates coming that we're already hearing about. Here are 5 things we can expect with the upcoming iOS 18 update. 2024 is becoming the year of AI, and for Apple, that isn't really a surprise. The tech giant acquired up to 32 AI startups last year, more than any other tech company. Google holds the second position, having acquired 21 AI startups, while Meta has acquired 18. Microsoft lags behind with a total of 17 acquisitions. So, what is the reason behind Apple's strategy of acquiring AI startups? Well, by bringing in top-tier talent and innovative technologies, Apple strengthens its position in key AI sectors. It's also to integrate into its software and to expand intellectual property. For example, back in 2020, Apple acquired Voices, an AI startup specializing in creating digital voice assistants that can understand natural language. The acquisition was aimed at with the intention of improving Siri. Other technologies that Apple purchased are Emotion, Laserlike, Drive AI, and AI Music, some of which have already been integrated into iPhones, Apple Watches, and Macs. There are big updates planned for iOS 18, with rumors and Tim Cook himself hinting at new AI features being developed. Here's everything we know so far about these AI features. According to a Bloomberg report, Apple is training both Siri and the iPhone's built-in Spotlight search tool on large language models, aiming to improve each feature's ability to answer more complex questions accurately. The improved version of Spotlight may also provide a deeper integration with certain functions and features in apps. The apps that are rumored to get AI features include Health, Messages, Numbers, Pages, and Shortcuts. And there will likely be more. Some of the newest AI features that Apple implements may be limited to the iPhone 16 models with their more powerful chips. If certain generative AI features are limited to on-device processing, they would likely be available only on the iPhone 16 models. Looking into the iOS 17.4 code, Apple is testing 4 AI models in total. 2 of them are from Apple, while also using ChatGPT and a model from Google. The project that Apple uses is a framework called Ajax. It started building this framework back in 2022 to base various machine learning projects on a shared foundation. This framework will serve as the basis for Apple's upcoming AI features across all of its platforms. Another Bloomberg report states that Apple is developing a new AI-powered health and wellness coaching feature under the codename Quartz. The goal is to keep users motivated to exercise, improve eating habits, and help them sleep better. The platform will use a combination of artificial intelligence and Apple Watch data to give users suggestions on lifestyle changes that will help improve their overall health and wellness. And while Tim Cook confirms that AI is coming, saying that Apple will spend a tremendous amount of time and effort on AI, more details will probably come later in 2024. According to Mac Rumors, the iOS 18 operating system's early development versions mention 4 new iPhone models. While the code doesn't reveal any new information about the upcoming phones, it suggests that Apple may not have big surprises planned for this year. iOS 18, codenamed Crystal, makes mention of the following 4 iPhones: D47 for the iPhone 16, D48 for the iPhone 16 Plus, D93 for the iPhone 16 Pro, and D94 for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. In a surprising move, Apple will adopt the Rich Communication Services standard as an alternative to SMS. iMessage remains the go-to for iPhone-to-iPhone chats, while RCS will make iPhone-to-Android conversations better in so many ways. This will allow for audio messages, read receipts, cross-platform emoji reactions, improved group chats, the ability to send messages over both Wi-Fi and cellular, and support for higher resolution photos, videos, and larger file sizes. Apple has not revealed the exact timeline for the adoption of Rich Communication Services, but the mention of later in 2024 implies that it will likely happen after the release of iOS 18. Over the past decade, the latest iOS update has consistently been launched in September, usually during the 2nd or 3rd week. Here are the last 5 years of release dates for reference. I haven't heard anything to suggest that this year will be any different, so I would assume that iOS 18 will also be released in September. Apple will release a developer beta right after the Worldwide Developers Conference keynote in June, with a public beta following in early July. Here's a question for you. If the iPhone 16 will get exclusive AI features in iOS 18, would that convince you to upgrade from the current iPhone you have? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss another video.